And this particular oil is lightweight. The smell is very, very pleasant, and also it is on the affordable side. So imagine getting all this affordable body oil and still maintaining steeze and composure. So you're going to be glowing on an affordable rate, or you're going to be glowing on a budget. Yes, let us put it like this. You're going to be glowing on a budget. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favi, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 5 good body oils that will be brightening your skin in just few weeks. Okay, so if you are in for skin brightening, if you are in for a glowy skin, you have to sit back so that you can know the bright oil that would brighten your skin in just few weeks. So if this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested in, my loves, you already know what to do. Just sit back and let's just dive into the video proper. So the very first oil on my list is Desire body oil. I know you have heard about this oil before, or you might not have heard about the oil, but whichever one, I am here to tell you the benefits of this very oil and how it works on brightening the skin. Okay, this particular oil is affordable and the name is Desire from the brand Desire. This very oil is lightweight and non-greasy and absorbs into the skin ASAP, like as quickly as possible. And this very oil is affordable and it contains ingredients like vitamin E, which moisturize the body and locks in all the moisture and all the hydration that your body needs. It locks it in. Also contains mineral oil, which provides a silky texture to the skin and also helps in locking in moisture. Okay, yes. And this very oil is suitable for all skin types. What you have to do is just right after shower, massage it onto your skin, massage onto a damp skin for good and effective results. All right, so let us go to the second body oil. The second body oil is Palmer's body oil. This very body oil is affordable and it is made with rich ingredients, and yet it absorbs quickly onto the skin. Okay, so for the ingredients, it contains cocoa butter, which hydrates the skin and improves the skin elasticity. It also contains vitamin E, which offers antioxidant protection and also healing properties. If you have a dry skin or a scaly skin, this very oil is the body oil that you should purchase. This very oil is very, very gentle onto the skin and it actually deeply moisturizes the skin, and then finally gives your skin that glow that you need. For the usage, as I said earlier, after shower, it is best to apply it on a damp skin and then allow the goodness to absorb onto your skin, and you will see that in few weeks you will start noticing some changes on your skin. You will be glowing and your skin will be softer and your skin will be smoother and your skin will be damp. Like you'll be feeling this smooth feel onto your skin. Okay, so for the third body oil that will brighten your skin just in few weeks is Dr. Teal's body oil. This very body oil is lightweight and it actually has a very nice scent. So if you want to go out there smelling like a baby girl or a baby boy that you are, this very oil is the body oil that you should purchase. This particular body oil is also on the affordable side, although not too affordable like the previous ones I mentioned earlier, but it is actually very good if you want to smell really nice. It is good for all skin types. It contains spearmint oil, which is very good for calming irritation and smoothing the skin. So if you're the type that has an irritated skin or your skin easily gets irritated, you should purchase Dr. Teal's body oil. It is very, very good. This calming characteristics that makes it calm every irritation on the skin. This very oil is non-greasy, it is soothing to the skin, and it is lightweight. Also, it has a very nice scent. So like I said, After shower, just apply onto your skin when your skin is still damp. What I mean by damp is when your skin is still a bit wet but not wet, so that your skin will just absorb all the ingredients that this particular oil contains. Okay, so the fourth oil that will brighten your skin in no time, in just a week or less, is avino oil, avino body oil. And this particular oil is lightweight. The smell is very, very pleasant, and also it is on the affordable side. So imagine getting all this affordable body oil and still maintaining steeze and composure. So you're going to be glowing on an affordable rate, or you're going to be glowing on a budget. Yes, let us put it like this: you're going to be glowing on a budget. So this particular oil contains oat extract, which nourishes the skin so well. Like oats is an ingredient that helps to nourish the skin perfectly. Also, it contains jojoba oil, which mimics the skin natural oil. Can you imagine an oil that will mimic the natural oil that your skin has, and then will now deeply make the skin to be supple and soft? So imagine just glowing on a budget. So if you want to glow on a budget, this particular oil is the kind of body oil that you should purchase. Like I said, for the usage after shower, when you come out from the shower, just massage it onto your skin, maybe after your body lotion, if you have a body lotion that you use. But just an body oil girly, just after shower, apply your body oil just directly on your damp skin, and then go about your business. Or if you use body lotion, you can apply it after applying your body lotion, or even mix it together with your body lotion and then apply on your skin. Remember to massage thoroughly so that the product will sink into your skin, and then you will now see the effects of the product. So the final and the fifth body oil that can give you that glow on a budget in few weeks is Vaseline body oil. This particular body oil is thicker in its consistency, but it is actually easy to apply, and also it deeply nourishes the skin and leaves the skin smooth. Body oil is affordable and it deeply moisturizes the skin. It locks in moisture for a longer period of time. Like it locks in moisture for hours. So if you apply this particular oil, for example, in the morning, and you go about your business, even when you come back at night, you will notice that your skin is still very soft and moist. So if you're the type who has a dry skin, like extremely dry skin, and you're looking for something that will deeply moisturize your dry skin and keep it soft and moisturized, you should go for Vaseline body oil. For the ingredients, it contains cocoa butter and mineral oil. And for cocoa butter, it provides extra hydration. Like I said, this particular body oil is good when you have a dry skin and you want to lock in moisture. But even if you don't have a dry skin and you still want to lock in moisture for a long period of time, this body oil will also be good for you, because it's for all skin types. But I will highly recommend for extremely dry skin. It also contains cocoa butter, it contains mineral oil, which we know that hydrates the skin and locks in moisture. So for the usage, it's just same with the previous ones. After shower, you apply directly onto your skin if you're the type that only use body oil. But if you're not the type, if you use your body lotion, you can mix the two of them together and then apply on your skin, or apply directly after you apply your body lotion. So for the frequency for all the body oil I have listed, you can use them 2 times in a day for effective use. But if you're not the type that likes to moisturize your skin before you go to bed, if you're the type that just wants to use it once, it is still good. You can use it once and you will still see effective results. But for quicker results, I will recommend you use 2 times in a day, morning and night. Morning after shower and night after shower. Okay, you will see faster results when you use it 2 times in a day. When you frequently use this oil, like I've said earlier, you would notice a radiant, glowy, moisturized, hydrated skin. Okay, and remember to take a lot of water, because water is one of the main keys to a glowy skin. Okay, so you have to take water so your skin will stay hydrated, and then the oil will not add extra hydration to your skin. So if you're watched to this particular point and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll be there to answer your questions. And if you have used any of this body oil, please comment below. If you have not and you want to purchase, and maybe you are confused on the one to purchase, even after watching the video, comment in the comment section, because I will be there to answer your questions. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video on this platform. And until next time, my loves, bye.